tyrant, a thief sipping Boston tea. The supermodel wife who wears the pants as he swaggers arrogantly. His face is dimple-laden, his Uggs boots lined with fur. With his GQ smile and Bieber-like hair, a heartthrob the women concur. His wind whips through the trees and blows through alleys and halls. It's not a torpedo, hurricane, or storm, but the air let out from his balls. The winter wind is a cheater, a patriot's song he sings. He'll laugh and cavort, the truth he'll distort, as he flashes his ill-gotten rings.